That smells just about as bad as it looks. Oh, his leg's all broken. Ugh. Whoa, big bump.
Last night was rather uneventful after I retrieved this camera from the nice lady at the hotel that I charged at yesterday. Just about got everything packed up. Got 83 miles of range and my next charging station is at 69 miles, so should be fine getting there. Gonna eat some lunch or breakfast and then get on the road.
Truck's brakes are smoking from going down this hill. This random charging place out in the middle of nowhere. This quirky little town right next to it.
That's what I love about having the electric vehicle, is that it forces you to stop and be somewhere for at least an hour. And you know, there's so much that you can see in just 1 hour of being in a location. And when you have like a really cool little town like this, you know, you probably wouldn't have even blinked an eye to stop here if you were traveling by the interstate just in a regular combustion vehicle. So I really like these little breaks that I get while I'm charging. Kind of helps me appreciate my surroundings and appreciate just the things that you would normally see. Today's kind of a turn and burn kind of day to make up my backtracking I had to do last night to go pick up my camera. So this is traditionally how you do charging, which is you only charge to the next station you got to go to. So I'll only be here for 20 minutes and that'll get me to my next charging station. Then whenever I get there, I'll charge however much I need to get to the next charging station. You don't always have to charge to 100%. Even though I don't like skipping through places, but I have to make up for some lost time, because I have to, if I want to stay or get back on track to make it to Chicago by Thursday. I just crossed 500 miles on this trip. Got 2 miles of range left and the charging station is half a mile away. And my goal for today is I want to make it west of Cleveland because I want to have a little bit more time in Detroit tomorrow. You know, it's cool watching the terrain get flatter and flatter as you go west. I was trying to think of, you know, what it was that it really kind of separated things, and there really wasn't. I mean, it's kind of a gradual change. Like, what is it about each state that makes it unique? And those would be the things that I would want to go check out maybe the next time I do a trip. Like, what's the only thing that you can find in Ohio? And then that would be a video, and then one to the next state and one to the next one. Because I can sit here and show you footage of each state. For the most part, they all look the same.
It's not really the terrain that separates them. Or maybe there isn't much that separates it. I mean, obviously the terrain is different, but in most of your neighboring states, it's all going to be relatively similar. It's a cool looking church. There it is.
I made it to Cleveland, or close to Cleveland, at a Harley dealership. Should be done soon. 322 miles so far today. Hard to believe that yesterday I was in Virginia. Total is like 550 miles that I've done so far of the last 1.5 day-ish. Would have been here earlier had I not forgotten my camera yesterday or last night, but I'm back on track now.